Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to capture enter web page in any iPhone devices. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my iPhone home screen. So you can see here. So here in this tutorial I will show you how to capture enter web page without using any third-party applications. So for this, what you need to do, just open the Safari browser and just go to any websites that you want to capture the enter web page. So in my case I just using apple.com, it's official websites. So you can see here it's a very long website, right? So you can see here this much of the pages. So how to capture this enter web page? So for this there are some steps. You can use the hardware keys and also you can use software keys also. So right now you can see here uploading assistive touch button. So if you have not activated it, so how you can do this? So let me move back to the home screen. Now just go to the settings and just scroll down below. Now you can see here one option named as accessibility. Just tap on it. Now under the accessibility you will get an option here, touch, right? Just click on it. Now under this option you will see on the first list the assistive touch. So if you have not turned it on, just turn it on, as I've already turned it on, so I'm not going to do it again. So you just turn it on, and once you turn it on you will see this kind of floating assistive touch button. So this is how you can enable this kind of assistive touch button. So if you want to use the hardware keys also, you can use like a volume up plus power button at the same time. If you are using like a non-home key iPhones, so if you're using latest iPhones that does not have a home key button, and if you're using older iPhones that has a home key button, then you can press the home key plus power button. So I'll be providing on the on screen for non-home key iPhones and the older iPhones with the home keys. So you can see on the screen that what you need to press to take a screenshots on your respective iPhone devices. So if you don't want to use the hardware keys, then you simply use this assistive touch floating icon. Just tap on it. Now you can see here a device, right? Just click on it. Now under this device, once again you will see a tons of options, and there you will get a 3 dot icons written more. Just click on it, and now you can see here a screenshot, right? Now just click on the screenshot to take a screenshot. Now you can see a floating screenshot. Now just tap on it. Now above you can see two options. On the right side you will see a full page, and the left side you will see a screen. Now tap on the full page. Now it will show you the enter web pages. Now what you need to do is just hold and slide down the enter web page. Now once you are done, you can click on the left top corner, done. Just click on it. Now you can see here save PDF to files. Just click on save PDF to files. Say I want to save it on my iPhone devices, so I click. Now it has been saved. So let us check whether it has been saved or not. So let me go to the files. Let me go to on my iPhone. So you can see here the enter web pages that I have captured just now using these cool tricks. So using this method you can capture the entire web page in any iPhone devices very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then definitely you should try it out. And if you find any difficulty in understanding this video tutorial, feel free to leave your comments below. I'll try my best to help and guide you with your problems. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.